Jai Hind students, hope you all are well protected. Let us start lesson 4, reproductive health. According to World Health Organization, reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. For example, physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. So, the term reproductive health refers to healthy reproductive organs with normal functions. Problems and strategies. Government launched various programs at national level. Family planning were initiated in 1951. Reproductive and health care to attain total reproductive health as a social goal. These programs include creating awareness among people about various reproduction related aspects through audio, visual and print media. Parents, close relatives, teachers and friends can create awareness. Sex education in schools impart right information to the students to protect from myths and misconception about sex-related aspects. Sex education gives information about adolescence-related changes, about sexually transmitted diseases like AIDS. Provide medical care of people in reproduction related problems like pregnancy, delivery, sexually transmitted diseases, abortions, contraception, menstrual problems, infertility, etc. Areas which help to improve reproductive health. Decreased maternal and infant mortality rate. Increased number of couples with small families. Better medical facilities. Cure of sexually transmitted diseases. Improved quality of life of the people. Massive immunization. Creating awareness in reproductive and child health care. Educating people about available birth control options. Amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is a technique that is helpful in detecting genetic abnormalities in the developing fetus. A sample of amniotic fluid is drawn from the amniotic sac with the help of a hypodermic needle from the mother's uterus. The amniotic fluid contains cells and molecules shed by the fetus. The fetal cells present in this fluid are cultured for chromosomal analysis to find out genetic abnormalities or chromosomal abnormalities like Down syndrome. It is also helpful to find the sex of the fetus. Some of them, they are misusing this procedure. If they know the growing fetus is a female, they abort the female growing fetus. It increases female feticides and also it alters the male and female sex ratio. Researches on various reproduction related areas encourages and support to find out new methods. Central Drug Research Institute at Lucknow in India was developed Sahili, the oral contraceptive with least side effects. Increased number of medically assisted devices, decreased maternal and infant mortality rate, better detection and cure of sexually transmitted diseases, increased medical facilities, improved reproductive health of the society. Family planning. Family planning or family welfare program is to prevent the fertilization of the ovum by the sperm and stop the increase in population growth. Example, various methods such as contraceptives, intrauterine device, vasectomy and tubectomy. Whatever the method employed, it must take care of the health of the persons concerned. Because of the family planning methods, the birth rate in India is reduced to some extent. Government gives incentives to those who adopt family planning. Steps taken to maintain a reproductively healthy society. Imposing a statutory ban on amniocentesis to legally check increasing female feticide. Massive child immunization programs being followed. Creation of specialized health centers like infertility clinics for the diagnosis and corrective treatment of some infertility disorders. Medical termination of pregnancy was legalized in 1971 to decrease the population size. Indicators of improved reproductive health. Better awareness about sex-related matters. Better postnatal care resulting decline in maternal and infant mortality rates. More and more couples opting family planning measures. Better techniques of early diagnosis and cure of sexually transmitted diseases. Improved and new medical facilities for sex-related problems. Thank you, students.